In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop a Google Drive upload. We all know that Google Drive is an incredibly efficient tool when it comes to storing and sharing documents, photos, and other types of files. However, there are times when you might need to halt an upload, maybe due to network issues or simply because you uploaded the wrong file. Whatever the reason, stopping an upload in Google Drive is a handy trick to have up your sleeve, and I'm here to walk you through it. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive by typing in the URL drivegoogle.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, log in with your Google account credentials if you haven't done so already. You'll find yourself on a page displaying all of your stored files and folders. Now, if your upload is currently in progress, you'll likely see an upload status box located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This box shows the status of your ongoing uploads and provides an easy way to manage them. To stop an upload, look for the small X button in the upload status box. When you click on this button, the upload process will immediately be halted. It's as simple as that. However, you should note that stopping an upload in progress means that you might have to start from scratch when you decide to upload the same file again. Sometimes uploads may seem to get stuck or take longer than expected. A good practice is to ensure you're on a reliable internet connection. If an upload is stuck, consider checking your network settings or having a brief pause and resuming the upload later. In case you need to manage your uploads through the Google Drive mobile app, don't worry, the process is quite similar. Open the Google Drive app on your smartphone or tablet and navigate to the upload queue. Depending on your device, you might find an upload icon or a small progress circle. Tap on it to reveal more options, and then select the cancel option to stop the upload. And there you have it, a simple method to stop uploads on both your desktop and mobile devices whenever you need to. Remember, practice makes perfect. So feel free to try this out next time you're managing your Google Drive uploads and gain confidence in handling these situations swiftly and efficiently. As always, I'm here to assist and make sure you have the best strategies for managing your digital life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more helpful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.